A good quality shoulder brace or support can help you get back to your normal routine. Today we will be taking a look at the best 4 shoulder braces. Stay tuned. Kicking things off at number 4, we have the NeoG medical grade VCS shoulder support. The NeoG shoulder support with heat therapy provides compression, support, and warming relief to the shoulder joint complex without restricting movement. By stabilizing the joint capsule, the support reduces pain from tendon and ligamentous injury of the rotator cuff muscles while promoting healing through heat therapy. It is suitable for acute and chronic shoulder conditions, as well as post-surgery and recovery. At number 3, we have the EVS Sports SB03 shoulder brace. EVS's innovative shoulder support system with the X-Strap technology ensures superior stabilization and compression. New adjustable arm closure designs eliminate underarm chafing. Universal no-snag design fits left and right shoulders. Easy on and off design on the left and right sides. It is ideal for sports, and the range of motion is not restricted. The second best product on our list is the DonJoy Sully Brace. The DonJoy Sully shoulder brace provides shoulder immobilization and controlled range of motion for anterior, multidirectional, inferior, and posterior instabilities, rotator cuff deceleration, shoulder AC separations, and muscle strains. The shoulder brace is designed to stabilize, assist, or restrict movement of the shoulder post-injury and post-operatively. Hook-sensitive neoprene vest grips the skin to allow precise placement of the donut-shaped foam pad. And the number 1 product on the list, best shoulder brace on the market, is the McDavid Light Shoulder Support. The McDavid lightweight shoulder support helps relieve pain caused by shoulder pulls and strains. It is ideal for relief of sprains, strains, bursitis, and tendinitis. McDavid's patented HexPad technology provides a durable, breathable, and lightweight padding system in compression apparel. HexPad is designed to move and conform to the athlete's body, providing maximum protection. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us, and if you liked our video, please do give us that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!